Hello friends, today we are going to be studying oviparous animals. Oviparous animals are animals that lay eggs. We are mammals, we do not lay eggs. So let's find out who does. I know some of you probably know, of course, chickens lay eggs, but the title of our story today is Chickens Aren't the Only Ones by Ruth Heller. You'll find out a lot more about some other oviparous animals. Again, our title page, Chickens Aren't the Only Ones by Ruth Heller. Chickens lay the eggs you buy. The eggs you boil or fry or dye or leave alone so you can see what grew inside naturally. Oh, some of you might be thinking about how you're going to decorate your eggs if you celebrate Easter. Chickens aren't the only ones. Of course, what kind of bird is this? Yeah, it's a peacock. Really pretty. Every bird, wild or tame, does the same. So all birds are oviparous. The ostrich lays the largest egg. The hummingbird, the smallest. Chickens aren't the only ones. Most snakes lay eggs, and lizards too, and crocodiles and turtles do. And dinosaurs who are extinct, but they were reptiles too. So all the reptiles are going to lay eggs. Frogs and toads and salamanders lay eggs, and when they hatch, they're tadpoles who grow legs and climb a lily pad, just like their mom and dad. They don't have claws or scaly skins. They are called amphibians. That means they live in both land and water. Fish eggs float up to the surface or sink to the bottom of the ocean floor. This mother seahorse lays her eggs into the father's pouch. He keeps them there until they hatch, and then he's through. I think that's nice of him, don't you? These fathers too are helping out by guarding eggs, protected by that foamy mass that's floating by. And they don't leave until they're sure that all the eggs have hatched. These don't look like eggs to me, but they were laid in the sea. This one by a shark, this one by a ray, is a mermaid's purse, they say. It does kind of look like a purse, doesn't it? The octopus is said to shed 100,000 eggs and then to hang them up in strings attached to rocks or caves. Look how pretty they look. The moon snail's eggs are mixed with sand to form this collar-looking band. Spiders wrap their eggs in sacks, and snails, you know, are very slow, but they lay eggs that hatch and grow. We studied a lot of that when we were doing bugs at the beginning of the year. Insects who have 6 legs and lay many different kinds of eggs. This one will hatch into a hungry caterpillar who will grow and grow and grow and then climb up a stem and change into this, a chrysalis, and change again one summer more. And that's how a butterfly is born. You guys remember that? I bet you do. Animals with fur or hair who nurse their young and don't lay eggs are known as mammals or mammalia. Spiny anteater, duck-billed platypus. Okay, remember those but these are 2 exceptions. They both live in Australia. So in Australia, they actually do both. Chickens aren't the only ones. There's no more to discuss. Everyone who lays an egg is oviparous. Say that one more. Say that with me. Oviparous. Oviparous is anyone who lays an egg. Animals who don't lay eggs have babies born alive and well, but that's another tale to tell. And that's the end. So this book's going to tell you a little bit more about oviparous animals. So why don't you speak to somebody and think if there's any other animals that you can think of that are oviparous. And of course, I'm going to ask you this question. Are you oviparous? All right, discuss with somebody at your house. All right, goodbye.